Welcome to another Mailosaur tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how you can automate workflows that rely on email or SMS communication with Playwright. Mailosaur lets you create inboxes to handle email and SMS messages in one place, including setting granular permissions to manage who can access what. Each inbox comes with its own domain name for receiving emails, plus the ability to associate phone numbers to receive SMS messages, including alerts, notifications, and one-time passwords. To help illustrate how Mailosaur works, let's take a look at this travel website. In this example, we want to book a vacation. We need to ensure we get a booking confirmation email and SMS message, plus we'll create an account along the way. When the website prompts us to create an account, we need an email address to use. With Mailosaur, we can use any email address that uses the domain name that's linked to our inbox. This means you can use a unique email address for any test case, user, or product with no setup required. Our product is now prompting us to provide a 6-digit code that has been emailed to us. If we head back into Mailosaur, we can see that this email has arrived. Mailosaur automatically extracts any content it finds, which includes links, codes, attachments, and so on. This is particularly useful for automated testing, as we'll soon see. For now, we can use this 6-digit code to create our account. Finally, we want to receive a confirmation via SMS message. To test this, we can use the phone number associated with our Mailosaur inbox at checkout. Just like with email, any content is automatically extracted from any SMS messages that are received. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to automate this whole process in just a few minutes using Playwright. Here's a simple Playwright test that is configured to perform all the steps up to sign up. To expand this test, we'll first install Mailosaur's official Node.js library. Mailosaur has libraries and plugins for all major languages and test frameworks, including Playwright for .NET. From a terminal window, install Mailosaur by running npm install Mailosaur. Next, we'll need an API key, which can easily be created in the Mailosaur dashboard. Now we can import Mailosaur at the top of our test file and create an instance of the library using the API key we just created. The Mailosaur getMessage method lets us wait for an email to arrive at a given email address. We can then provide additional search criteria, such as the subject line, to narrow down our search. You'll see that a server ID is also provided. This is the unique identifier for the inbox we are using and can be found here. Now we can add a few more lines to use the 6-digit code from the sign-up email and complete the process. Next, we'll complete our booking, providing our phone number at the same time. We can now wait for the booking confirmation email and perform any assertions we need. At this point, we could also navigate to any links found in the email, such as amending our booking, so that we can test user actions that commence from the email. Finally, we can do the same for the SMS booking confirmation. And with that, we now have full end-to-end coverage in Playwright. We can now run our tests as normal. So that's all you have to do to get started with Mailosaur using Playwright. Hopefully that was helpful, and let us know in the comments or drop us an email if you have any questions.